Welcome to SentryOne. In this video, we will discuss creating a snapshot, which is the second step necessary to generate documentation for your server environment. We will also discuss the snapshot comparison and snapshot management functionality. There are many different ways to create a snapshot within the DocXpress product. The first way is during the process of creating a solution. After providing a name and type for your solution, you are asked if you would like to generate a snapshot. Clicking on the Yes button will begin the snapshot process. Another way to generate a snapshot is from within the solution itself. Here you can click on the arrow next to the solution item and you will be prompted to take a snapshot. You can click on the snapshot button in the right-hand menu, you can click on the Take Snapshot button at the bottom of the screen, or if you wish to take a snapshot using a command line, you can click on the Create Snapshot Request file. After the snapshot has been generated, you can expand the solution items to reveal all of the details that were captured in the snapshot. In some environments, you may have some objects that are aliased. DocXpress allows you to manage these aliases by clicking on the Manage Aliases button. Here you can provide a scope for the alias, the technology class used, the original target name, and the replacement target name. This allows object lineage connections to be made where they can't be inferred naturally. DocXpress also provides the ability to compare snapshots that you have taken against each other. This can be done by clicking the Compare button within the DocXpress solution. You can also access this directly from the Feature Finder by clicking on the Snapshot Comparison tile. Here you will pick two snapshots to compare, and then click the OK button. Once the comparison screen appears, you can filter by what is equal, not equal, and show the things that only exist on the left side or the right side of the comparison. Finally, we will discuss snapshot management within DocXpress. Snapshot management can be accessed by clicking on the Snapshot Management tile in the Feature Finder. Snapshot management allows you to import and export entire solutions or solution items into or out of DocXpress. You can also purge some of your old snapshots that may not be needed to free up space within your DocXpress metabase. Another option you have is to view the history of the snapshots that have been taken over time. By clicking on the Rescan button, DocXpress will rebuild the lineage used within lineage analysis for the latest snapshot. If you are connected to a DocXpress server instance, it also notifies the server to refresh the solution's metadata. Please note that this process can take several minutes. Lineage analysis and DocXpress server will be discussed in different videos. Finally, clicking on the View button will launch the Metadata Viewer, which can be used to navigate the metadata for the solution item that has been selected. If you have any questions about this information or you would like further assistance, please navigate to our support website at support.sentryon.com. Thanks for watching.